As part of Gateway, we have 27 hotels of the Gateway, plus about 12 more under different stages of construction. We have 5 more hotels which is also managed by the Gateway. So at the moment we are talking about a 32 hotel Gateway division of the Taj, with just one of ours in Sri Lanka at the airport Colombo. Gateway is part of the Taj. It's a brand which talks to the millennial traveler or the band of people who have the next generation in mind, or we want to compete to be at that level. Food is integral. This hotel has had the glory of celebrating since about 23, 24 years itself, Karavali. So there is that inert sense of bringing regional food to the core. And that's what every Gateway will bring that story. It's about contemporariness and being healthy. So you have active food that comes into play with every Gateway hotel. So when we talk about many other brands, and their brands will keep coming, the fight will get much more tougher. But as Indianness to the contemporary millennial traveler, our Gateway comes it refreshingly very fresh, and also laying tribute to the regional food of India and the contemporary world of active food. Freedom of expression in terms of how we live our life, in terms of what our tastes are, whether it is fine art that you saw some performance, whether it's music, whether it's culture, all of that will be a platform from where we will use ourselves to say, hey, we denote that kind of freedom. Activity or activeness, fitness and yoga, wanting to be looking at the wellness of ourselves, face it, dare I say, whether you are at home, whether you are in office, the world is now moving to about me, myself, in terms of my health and wealth. The look and feel of today's customers are very much particular to one's own requirement. If I have a 24/7 clock, which makes me work with US or Australia or China or Japan at any given time, I need to know how does it fit into my body, and whether I need 24/7 breakfast, whether I need access to the fitness center 24/7, whether I need to do yoga in my room, and is there a hotel company which caters to all of that. I think that's where our challenge is, and that's what we are trying to work ourselves.